Okay, the one when I post. No. No, now the girl even tell me say the place. Now the girl tell me say people feel comot due to the smell and the dirty. That one when I dey clean here, see me dey clean, say yeah, it was very happy when I clean. You see all this dust? I clean am. When that one open door, the room they stand fine. This one open.
Please, anything that will disinfect now. Right now. This is
Christian.
You mean why to not
wait to Christian, but man let you do this. Man let you do this thing.
No.
Man let you do this thing.
I know.
Do you have the right? Is this your house?
Honey,
No. Is this your house? No. Don't pack this thing. You should pack this thing now.
This thing, I will post it on the Facebook.
When I pack here as we are talking, where are the police going now? What kind of nonsense is this? You want police to come?
No, we don't come.
Huh?
We will just yale money.
They start packing these things. They can work it.
But on a who ever one who can't
everything.
Oh, one worker, on your who. On a ripa, and a meaning of who. Gay, every year now with one of Yokowa.
Even a slaughter animal for you.
Yes, I can look at the blood and everything.
Wow, I can't breathe. I'm about to.
And what paint say, what satisfy, you have to sanctify this room. You have to sanctify this room. Getting you stay. On I mean, I won't turn away life here. Has it increased you?
Hey, but you are not here to preach. Don't tell me to pack. You are not here to.
Has this thing increased you?
Pack this thing and bless
Chunk of wood. This is what you serve. Every Sunday you carry Bible, you go to church. Every Sunday you go to church. What kind of God are you serving? The chunk of wood, or the Almighty God who made heaven and earth? You don't deceive people. You people are hypocrites. Hypocrites. How? Leave me, Christian. Leave me, because the way when I take you as my brother, you disappoint me. This is somebody who disappoint person what he got. Jesus Christ. Even when a chunk of wood. How they will not hear me. I will hear Ben Wabiato or when we go. Ona vehicle ha Yoko was sacrifice. Now wow, every time you come through back.
There's blood on the wall.
Wow. Do you know what? He always comes through backyards. Every time he comes through back of house. When he comes through back, we always knock. Maybe these people lock. When they lock, I think I say you have front door key. You have the, when I saw that sacrifice, okay. If you don't wear any all Yoko Walawa. I grew up. The day I was speaking with you were surprised. I grew up in Oguanate Otegodo. And taking another immediate effect or yakma. Now, if you're sleeping in this house, darkness and light don't meet. And that is my prayer always. I will always pray that anything that is not of God, God will always
No.
Only don't touch anything.
No, let me go. You will follow you.
Okay. So I think you have a relation here. You can go there. So this house, no.
You get relatives,
I think you get.
Not all relatives.
I think you're working on a bad shop. So.
Call the people and relate to her. Why not call anybody? What